Today we will discuss essay on the postman, the ancient messenger. India has a largest postal network in the world. The postman is an important member of society. He is a useful public servant. He works all over the country. He can be seen in villages and cities. The postmen are known for the honesty. A postman moves door to door and delivers our post like letters, telegrams, parcels, money orders and gifts. Some postmen move on cycle, but several of them go on foot to deliver their letters. A postman is a familiar face. He puts on a uniform. His uniform is khaki. He carries bag with him. He keeps his letters, parcels, money orders, telegrams and gifts in his bag. He works for post department. He is a government servant. In the morning, the postman goes to the post office. He sorts out the letters area-wise. Then he puts stamps all the letters. He takes his cycle and goes out to deliver the post. The life of postman is very difficult. He works hard for the whole day. He has to move door to door and delivers the letters. He has to move in every season and in any weather. He has to work in the rainy season and in winter too. Despite his difficult duties, he gets a low salary. His allowances are not as per his duties. He has limited holidays. Thus, the postman deserves great respect from the society. We should be also sympathetic to them. Thank you.